Hello friends, how are you? I am Aman Bilal. Today we will learn how to remove all data base from files from localhost PHP myadmin and create a new WordPress website. What is that issue? I'll show you. Last time we have make one website. First we have view this website. You see, that is our website issue. That is our website issue. See. And why that issue come? First we need to remove our old go to the XAMPP. First on the Apache, again MySQL. When you want it, minimize. Go to your PC, open the XAMPP folder, and there we may see the HD docs. Last time we are paste one file, WordPress file in that folder, and we give the folder name WordPress. Just achieve to it. Okay. We need to wait for a moment because it's running. Okay, fine. Once we remove it, go to local disk, XAMPP, htdocs, WordPress, right click and remove it. Once you remove it, the XAMPP folder is empty. Okay. Close it and go back. Refresh your PC. Empty your recycle bin. Okay. Right now we need to go to the Google and type WordPress. WordPress.org. Okay. .org. That is a website. And get the new WordPress. My net is little slow. Okay, done. Now I already done it. And see, we have already WordPress file. Okay, I already downloaded. Now the question is that how we remove the database. We are already Apache and MySQL on. Minimize to it and go to site. Localhost PHP myadmin. Yes. Open it and see. That is our website with before we are made. And know how we are move to it, because that is all the data, that is all our website data. Go to operations, database command, create table, rename database. If you want to rename to your database, this is possible to do. Again, remove database. Click it, read carefully instruction and OK to it, and our database is clean now. Okay, just close it. Now we are go to the our PC. Before we are download the WordPress, cut it. Go to this PC, open local disk C, and open the XAMPP folder. Once you open the XAMPP folder, there is the htdocs folder. Open it, make a new folder. Folder name is WordPress. Before we are cut the file of WordPress, we are paste there. Once you paste this, stretch it. Okay, open it, and all data you cut, select all, right click and cut. Go back and paste. When you paste it, right now we don't need this folder, so just right click and delete. Okay, close it. Now we are go to the Google. Localhost / WordPress. Okay. Now we need to go to our PHP admin. Okay, open it and create new. Once you create new, give the name WordPress and create. Now your new database already created. Just close it and go to the localhost WordPress. Okay, once when you click it, so you go to the setup of your new website. So we need to little bit see the same class before I give the same we are doing continue state, and after just read the instruction all with WordPress giving to you. That is the stream and policy of WordPress. So when once you done it, let's go. Okay, our database name, that is WordPress, because before we in the database in that website we are give the name WordPress. So that the database name is WordPress. Okay, username root, password nil, and just submit it. Okay, we already done it, and just read it carefully. Once you read it, run the installation. Okay, now we need to give our new site name. For example, I give the name Aman Graphics. Weak password, confirm it. Give your email, checked it, and install WordPress. Okay. Now WordPress asked that WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Log into it. That is our password and username. Remember me and log in. And our website was ready. We have viewed the website. That is our website. Go to the dashboard. That is our website. Our dashboard. Okay. That is the home page. Media, library, plugins editor. So our job is done. I am happy for my selection.